Hi everyone, this is Meow Meow and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to learn how to insert a table. Alright, so before we start, do not forget to click on the notification bell to be updated on my new uploads or new videos and click on subscribe button to subscribe to Meow Meow. And to know more about me, you may visit my website. It's meowmeow.com. So let's start. So I have already prepared my data. So I have here the students. Say for example, these are scores from test 1, test 2, and test 3. So I'm going to, instead of me formatting the cells individually, well, I can just create or convert this into a table. So how am I going to do that? So the first thing that we need to do is to select the range of cells or the range that you want to convert into a table. And then go to your Insert tab. And as you can see, we have the table icon here. Then all we need to do is to click on the icon Create Table. So immediately, the range or the data for the table is already selected. And we have here, my table has headers. Since we included that, then that's okay, that it's checked. But if you do not have a header on the range selected, then we can untick this one. And then just click OK. Then immediately we have now our table. So we can also choose different colors for our table. Okay, so that's how to insert or how to transform your range to a table. So what if I change my mind? I'd say I'd like to put it back or return it to a range and not as a table. So how are we going to do that? So all we need to do is right click and just click on any part of the table, right click and choose table, then we have convert to range. So of course, it will ask you again if you really want to convert your table to a normal range. So just click yes, and immediately it's already arranged. But remember, since we have formatted the table, then all we need to do, if you don't want the colors, then we can just remove the format. So there. So that's how you put it back. Alright, so that's just about it for this video. So I hope that you learned something today. Oh, and by the way, if you like this video, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel, Meow Meow Meow. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!